Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Excel function average, how to compute an average in Excel. I'm going to show you two ways to do that, and I will give you the final file, which is going to be right below the video. There's going to be a link so you can download it right now and follow with me with all the formulas, everything. And so let's get started. So first, to compute, here I have a list of grades for my class, for example, different subjects. To compute the average, I can use simply the average function, and I should select the different values of which I want to compute the average. What I can do as well is use average on a whole range, and this way it's going to compute the average of the whole column. Of course, as usual, you can double check the result with the quick formula bar down here, and to change the kind of formulas that you want to be computed, you can select it here. Average, you can compute the count, the minimum, maximum, sum, whatever, right below here. So that's for simple average. So simple. If you want a weighted average, in that case, for each grade we want a weight. So, for example, if math is more important than English, or if you have different factors to take into account. So I'm just gonna put weight here, weight, and I'm going to take a random weight between 1 and 5. Okay. Which is going to be here, and if I want to compute a weighted average, I'm just going to do a sum product. So there's no native function to do that, so I'm going to do a sum product of all the grades each time multiplied by the weight, and I will divide that by the sum of all weights, which is going to give me the weighted average. Here, weighted average here. So two ways to compute. First, you use average if you have no weight, every value is the same importance, or you can use weighted average with sum product and sum. As usual, you can download this example right below, so you can play around with it. So don't forget to download the file, and I will see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, this way you'll be notified when I publish. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.